Here is how to change fog light on the 2003 to 2009 Toyota Sienna. I wanted to make this video because I couldn't find one when I searched it. All you will need is 10mm socket, Phillips screwdriver, of course, your light bulb. It is an H3 and you want the one with the little cord on it with the terminal. You also want a flathead screwdriver. So that's all you need. I'm doing my passenger side. First up, you need to remove this mud guard. You only need to remove these two screws, 1 and 2, right here. I think it's a 10mm and also a Phillips. You don't need to remove the whole thing. Once you get those out, you pull this out, it pops out forward, backwards. See, now we have access inside. Come in with our ratchet, reach inside, and right inside here, there is a 10mm nut to remove. Right there where my thumb is pointing, you gotta remove that 10mm nut. There we go. Next, take your flathead, stick it on the inside headlight, and then pull it like that and it pops out. Now that this is popped out, you can access the back and you have your connector. You can get that off by pushing down and sliding up. With the light, you would just want to go lefty-loosey with this. Remove this terminal. And then there's this little wire thing. You just push it down, slide it to the left, and that releases the light bulb. Burnt filament, can't really see that, but we have our new light. You want to leave this wire on there, pull this one off. Try not to touch the light bulb. Slide this in, you know what to do. Reverse the steps you did to get it out. It only goes in one way. This little square notch is on the top, and the round notch is on the bottom. You'll figure it out. Now reconnect this wire. And we can replace the cap. Ready, tight. Alright, we can reconnect our plug. Good to go. Put it back in, you put left side in first. And it just pops right in. So we'll get our 10mm nut back on. Pop your cover back in. Complete. Let's get a quick test.
There we go.
Let's go. Let's go. Other side already still works. Boom. The only thing you really need to know is that there's the 10mm bolt, and then you want to stick the screwdriver in and pop it off. Hope that helps. Good luck driving in the fog. Peace.